Hello everyone. In this previous session, I explaining about the sampling meaning and characteristics. Now I am going to explaining about the methods of sampling. The methods of samplings are broadly classified into probability sampling and non-probability sampling. In this session, I am explaining about the probability sampling. Probability sampling. Probability sampling is the based on the theory of probability. It is also known as random sampling. It provides a known non-zero chance of selection for each population element. The main characteristics of probability sampling is the probability sampling. Every population has a chance being selected. Such a chance is known as probability. For instance, if a sample frame a list of 100 students in a specific course of study, in a simple random sample, each student has 1 by 100 chances of being selected. The probability sampling yield a representative sample and hence the findings of the sample. The closeness of the sample to the population can be determined by estimating the sampling bias or error. These are the main characteristics of the probability sampling. Now I am explaining about the important sampling method. Probability sampling method. Simple random probability sampling. These sampling techniques give each element an equal and independent chance being selected. And equal chances mean equal probability of selection. For example, in a population of 300 students, each element have 1 by 300 chance being selected. The students are can be selected by using lottery method or simple random table method. And next sampling method is probability sampling method is called as stratified random sampling. This is an improved type of random probability sampling. In this method, the population is to be subdivided into homogeneous group or strata, and from each stratum, random sample is drawn. For example, university students may be divided on the basis of the discipline, and each discipline group may be again be divided into junior, senior, and the samples are drawn from the each strata is called as stratified random sampling. And next method is systematic sample method. It is also called as fixed interval method. Under this method, sample is an alternative to the random sampling. It consists of taking every kth item in the population after a random start within an item from 1 to k. For example, suppose it is decided to select a sample of 20 employees from a list of 300 employees. Divide the population total of 300 by 20. The quotient is 15. Select a random number from 1 to 15 using lottery method or a table of random number. Suppose the selected number is 9, then the students are numbered as 9, 24. That is 9 plus 15, 39. That is 24 plus 15 and 54, namely 39 plus 15 are selected as sample. So it is called as fixed interval sampling. And next method is called as cluster sampling method, where the elements are scattered over a wider area. List of population elements are readily not available. The use of simple random certified method is not possible and it is a time consuming. In such cases, cluster sampling is used. Cluster means random sample selection of sample unit consists of the population elements. Each such sampling unit is cluster of the population element. Then from each selected sample unit, a sample of population element is drawn by either simple random selection or stratified random selection method. Thank you.